AMT sequencer. In insert Z short, the current value of the eye test is based on the nominal current. If you change this value in table view and detail view, these values will be changed equally. All times sent by the device are correct multiples of 400 microseconds in 1 millisecond. If the user enters a time of 1 millisecond, this number is divided into 400 and becomes the nearest number, 2 milliseconds. If a state type is on tracking mode, you'll see the correct show of binary outputs, signal by 0 and 1 binary outputs because the start time is set to 2 milliseconds by default. By right-clicking on the signal column in vector view, two options Copy to Clipboard and Show or Hide are displayed. All colors changed, especially in cells such as Table View, Detail View, and Vector View. AMT overcurrent. In directional and to calculate MTA, the MTA option is created in overcurrent protection parameters. First, the user in the MTA selects the related formula to the relay, then enters the RCA value in this side field. After entering this information, other trip sector definition fields will be automatically completed. After right-clicking the Pickup Drop-Off in Pickup Drop-Off and selecting another element, the Pickup Drop-Off interval changes. The dashed line in the characteristic view is also moved and multiplied by the coefficient. In the overcurrent characteristic settings, by enabling Show Curve Information, the attribute curve information is displayed, and even in directional mode, information about angles is shown in the chart. In Sequence Test Point 2, you can switch between fields and make changes by pressing the Tab key. And it is also possible for AMT distance, AMT differential, and the other parts. AMT distance. In search test, if you have a search line with the results, by dragging the new search line, a value will not be displayed in the reach column for this line. And the size of this column will be adjusted according to the information written in it. And the added line can be removed by right-clicking on the row. AMT transducer and meter. Linking values inside the test table with available values in advanced view, including test phase with test phase, and generator setting sections in advanced view. In single phase mode and when meter functions are used, by adding multiple points in different phases and selecting each row, the values are displayed in the generator setting section. After selecting symmetrical in transducer properties, you can add points to the test table in the negative part of the curve. In maximum value fields for values less than 1, the curve is displayed in transducer properties. All absolute, relative, and cycle time units have been corrected in watt-hour and var-hour.